Magtanong ako, pakitanong ng Amerikano, if that scenario would happen suddenly, are you ready also to send you like rain to China?
Sir,
Madali lang man. It's easy to say na you enforce maritime laws. Ako ang may-ari, magpunta ka dyan sa Manila Bay tapos sabihin mo sa akin na hindi ako makapagpangisda dyan.
sir,
Hindi, because they're claiming it as their own. And ang masama dyan, they are claiming it as their historical right. And they have the control over the property. Yan ang problema natin. Kung ano, kung makatulong kayo by suggesting, is there any other suggestion?